this year's WPC and celebrate Advantech 40 years anniversary with us. At this year's WPC, we will have a sector-driven, including smart manufacturing, transportation, green energy, industrial AI, network security, and more.
Join us for this Industrial IoT World Partner Conference event, including channel partners, key accounts, system integrators and solution partners, and media partners.
With over 700 attendants coming from more than 15 countries, this is a must-attend event in these industries. Start your next AIoT journey with Advantech this October at Industrial IoT.PC in Taipei.
Join us at the Advantech Industrial IoT World Partner Conference in Taipei.
Join us at Advantech Industrial IoT Worldwide Partner Conference in Taipei.